In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your photo or video after editing on your smartphone from Picsart app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I have here my photo that I've just been editing. I wish to add a sticker. So let me add this sticker to this photo here. I'll wish to move it here. And here we go. Then I'll go ahead and save it. Now that I've finished editing, it's time to go ahead and download it or save it to my phone gallery. To do so, just go ahead and tap on this download icon. And here you can choose the format you wish. I'll leave it in JPEG. And also you can just share this directly to any of these tools. So it is your choice. But for my case, I just want to download it. So I had downloaded one. So to download it, I'll go ahead and tap on download another copy here. And you can see this has been saved to my device. Now, if I go back to my gallery and open it, so you can see because I had downloaded it severally, I have several copies of the same image. So that's how you can save or download your creation after editing from Picsart. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.